Hi guys, I'm going to be assembling a pen here, just in case you're interested. I'm doing it, showing you how to make a pen. First you push this tip into the barrel, or the first wood turn part. Then you get your twist mechanism, and you push the gold part. You see it's gold on one side. You push it in, and there's a little insert line on the pen. Make sure it's perfectly aligned when you're pushing. Push it in. Like so. Make sure your ink, put your ink in. See how far your tip comes out. Make sure it comes out enough so you can write with it. So that's the first part of your pen. There's a little metal band in between each pen. Just slip it on over this twist mechanism. Push the end cap to the end cap end part of your pen. Like so. Then push end part into it. You have a pen. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video that you just watched. I want to give you some information. So, last video that I went live in, thanks for getting me to 10 subs. That video said that there would be a giveaway, and that is true. How we do the giveaway is I'm going to put everybody's name on a wheel. Don't worry, I'll screen record it, spin it, so you can see. Then I will contact the person who won, and they will be given a free keychain of their choice. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Drop a like on this video, and get us to 20 subs. See you guys. See you on the next one. Peace.